Hey everybody, Gunny J here with Summers Fence Company, led by Chris Summers, based out of Dallas, Georgia. Did a big fence job for me, well within 48 hours. And of course the first job was to remove the unwanted and totally ugly chain link fence that we had left over in the backyard. All total, 280 feet. There's Bryson, and there's Chris Summers. A lot of Conan going on out there. There's Bryson getting it done, and there's your friendly neighborhood drone pilot, Gunny J. By noon that day, they had already removed all of the chain link fence, but installed all of the necessary posts for 280 feet of brand new wood post fence. Of course, with that being said, concrete was poured for all of the posts and work couldn't continue until the very next morning. That's a lot to get done in about 4.5 hours. Gunny J was impressed. Now we got day 2, about 7:30 in the morning. And obviously, it's a good day for fence making. Bryson and Chris showed up no later than 8 o'clock and got on it right away. There's no playing around. As you can see, they have all the equipment it takes to make it happen in short order. There's Bryson enjoying the morning, getting ready to get her done. This teamwork is incredible. I mean, it's like you couldn't orchestrate something that's just incredible. That's some skills right there. Then again, that comes with the experience. Look, all said and done, these guys have a terrific attitude. It was great having them around for the length of time that they were here. And their work ethic is incredible, and that's why they were able to get a quality job done so fast. Not only within 48 hours, but we all need to wish Chris's daughter the best, because they wrapped this up by about 1:30 that day, yesterday, and he had to take his daughter for a physical so she could play soccer. So that's a pretty good deal. We wish them all the best of luck. But I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your fence. And we're looking forward to many years of enjoyment. And not worrying about coyotes getting into the backyard going after my little baby Sadie. Remember, Semper Fly, everyone. Be sure to sign up on my YouTube channel. Gunny J, out.